Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you a hockey skate lace trick for tighter laces. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Let's face it, whenever you are lacing up hockey skates, you want them to be nice and tight around the ankles. This is for comfort, and it is to reduce your pain when you're skating. If you get foot pain like me, this will reduce that. But in addition, it's for safety, okay? When you're playing hockey, you're going back and forth, hard on the ankles. You need it to be tight on the ankles. And I'm not even a hockey player, and I know that. I've only played hockey a handful of times in my life, but I know this is the trick because a lot of my friends are hockey players and they always tell me to do this, and it works wonders when I do it. So you can do this if you have extra long laces. If your laces, after you sort of tighten up your skates, if your laces hang off a significant amount and you get those big bows, you know, you can do this. But even if you don't, I'm going to show you a way if you don't have long laces, because I don't have long laces. So this is how I do it. Okay, instead of going all the way to the top ring over here, okay, I pull it out and I sort of go to the second one from the top. It gives me a little bit of extra length, okay? So I'm tying up my skates, you know, I'm tightening them up, you know, and obviously, you know, you want to go nice and tight as you can. Obviously, this isn't on my foot, but you want to go as tight as you can, okay? So make sure you're going nice and tight with your laces, okay? You're going to keep tightening up, and we're going to get to the top eventually, like right now. So just give me one moment. Tighten up those laces as tight as you can. Really pull on them, and you're going to get to the top now, okay? And you're going to have lots of extra lace, whether your laces are extra long or whether you've pulled them, you haven't gone to the top ring like this. And I would say it's better to do this. Don't take away 3 rings, but you can not go to the top one, and this will be better than threading it through to the top one, in my unprofessional, honest opinion. You get these long laces. A lot of people will just tie them up and then sort of tuck them underneath the other laces. Don't do that. Don't do that, because you're not going to get as tight of a lacing as you can. What you want to do instead is take your right lace, the lace that's coming off from the right side, wrap it around to the left. Okay, so now it's on the left. Okay, take your left lace, wrap it around to the right. Okay, you now have created a nice ankle brace, okay, because your laces are actually wrapped around the back of the skate. Now what you can do is tighten up your knot. So do a knot, tighten it up. Now here's the thing. Regularly when you tighten up your knot, you're only pulling the sides of the skate in together. You're not controlling the back of the skate. But what you're doing now is the back of the skate, when you tighten your knot, the back of the skate, because the laces are back here, are being pulled in. Then you can do your loops and tie up your actual lace, and make sure you know you do it nice and tightly. And you're left with this. If your laces are really long, you can even do it twice around instead of just once, like I showed you, twice around the back. And that's it. Essentially what you're doing is you're connecting the front of the skate and the sides over here where the laces are to the back, which creates a nice ankle brace for your ankle, which is better for comfort. It's better for pain reduction, especially if you're skating for a long period of time, or if you just, like, I'm not a skater, I'm not a hockey player, so my feet hurt if I don't do this. If I do this, pain reduction is amazing. In addition, it's good for safety. You need to think about safety when you're playing hockey, when you're lacing up your skates. You want it to be nice and constricted around the ankle. Now, don't do it so tight that it causes you discomfort. Don't tighten it like crazy. Just do it tight enough that it really gives you some extra bracing. That's what we're looking for, a little bit of extra bracing. Wow, my forearm in this lighting, in this sweater, this looks crazy. Sorry, I look like a hockey player. Look at this. Boom, just like that. Anyways, with that being said, that is a simple hockey skate lace trick for lacing up your skates tighter, better, and more braced than ever before. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.